So I don't know about you, but birthdays weren't really a big deal growing up in my family. I only vividly remember one birthday, and that was when I was 12 years old. It was my first and only slumber party. I know I had birthdays prior to that, a couple, because I have some pictures of my fourth birthday party, but as I got older, birthdays were not really made a big deal. So because of that, around my birthday, I like to spoil myself a little bit. So today I'm gonna share with you a few things that I got for myself for my birthday. It is a little early, so of course I will get something from the boys, from hubby for my birthday. If you want me to share that in another upcoming video, let me know down in the comments. But I thought I would spoil myself just a little bit to make it a little special. So let me go and show you guys what I got. I ended up getting a couple of pieces from Idol. You guys know I am an Idol partner. They ended up sending me another pouch. I love these for travel. And then the gift that they were currently giving away is this little travel organizer, which is really fun. I love this color. But I know I've talked about Idol before. I am an Idol partner, so I do have a coupon code. I'll put everything down below in the info box for you if you want to check them out. But when it comes to my wardrobe, I basically do a capsule wardrobe style. Wardrobe basics, closet essentials. It's very much the base of my fashion wardrobe, but I'm basically taking that concept to jewelry, and Idol is the perfect brand to do that. They are my favorite jewelry brand. The quality is impeccable. It is real gold, and they are lab grown diamonds. So these are quality pieces that you can have for years and years and years and even pass them down, but it's done in such a very classic yet modern way. So let me show you the new pieces that I added, and then I'll go ahead and do some try-ons so you can see what they look like. I ended up adding these kind of halos that I can wear around my everyday studs, and then I added one more of their add-ons. This is a new piece. They've added a lot of new pieces recently, so if you've checked them out in the past, I would definitely check them out again. Like I said, the links will be down below for you guys because they've got a lot of new bracelets. They also have a lot of new necklaces, and then of course they have a lot of new earrings as well. These are going to be a good way to wear studs on a daily basis. I do need to get more holes. I've been saying that for like 2 years now. I think it's time. It's time for me to go get some new holes because my collection is growing and I want to be able to wear more pieces on my ears. So I will be giving you some close-ups, and I'm also going to include some other pictures and videos of other ways that I've styled my other pieces. But I just wanted to show you, I did add in the pieces here. This is that extra dangle. I love that piece. That is so, so beautiful. And just for reference, what you're looking at, and I'll try to include it in some text if I remember, but my front stud is the smallest, the petite, I believe is what they call it. And then my back stud is the largest. So you can see what the smallest looks like in like the halo style, and you can see what the largest looks as well. The size difference is very, very minimal, but I do love both sizes. But I do think you can do either size to get the look that you're going for. And then on this side, I just have the halo on the front one. Such a beautiful way to just add a little something. I could even see adding this one to the front and then maybe the halo in the back. It's really, really beautiful. I just love their pieces. I really have been growing my collection. I just feel like it has added a little something to my wardrobe and to my style that some of the other pieces that I own just don't do, right? Like I'd never take off these studs unless it's for a specific outfit, like a statement earring or something like that. But these are my everyday studs, and like I just kind of dress it up a little different with the add-on pieces. And then of course we have to also mention my necklaces. I love these pieces as well. You can stack them, you can change out the charms. There's a lot of options there too. Let's go ahead and move on to my 2 Valentino pieces that I got. So I am super excited about both of these. I ended up adding, any guesses, any guesses? I ended up adding a Valentino belt. I really, really love belts. I love, love, love belts. And I saw this one with the gold hardware. It is thicker, but super simple than the other new belt that I got. I don't know if that video has gone up yet, but if it hasn't, actually, yes, it has gone up. So this one is thicker than the new Hermes belt that I got. And of course it is also reversible. So you've got the black, you've got the tan, and then gold hardware, which you guys know that I love. I feel like this is a really simple, elegant, classic very Valentino belt. I love it. I ended up getting this in a size 75 and it fits really, really good. I feel like I can style this with denim, but I could also style it with like a cute dress as well. And I don't think that the logo is too big. It's a good like wearable size. So I love that. I love luxury belts and I feel like I'm getting back into them. So I just wanted to add a couple of good ones. Next up is I ended up getting a pair of Valentino shoes. You guys know I have a large Valentino shoe collection. So there hasn't really been anything that has caught my eye in a while because I already have a pretty large collection from them. But when I saw these, I knew I had to have them and the color is so good. And I also was looking for something that was gonna be pretty comfortable. And these are so comfortable. These are a kind of mid-range heel. I typically don't like a mid-range heel unless it's done in a sandal. And I'm obsessed with the Roman studs. I love the Roman studs. I actually prefer the Roman studs over the rock stud. Yes, I have several rock stud pieces. I still like it, don't get me wrong, but I just love, love, love this. I think they'll look really, really good with my belt. They'll look really, really good with my new handbag. I just feel like these are so, so beautiful. Such a good color, that kind of Hermes gold color with the gold hardware. You've got the edginess of the rock studs. It's a good wearable size. I know we're going into fall, but I just really, really fell in love with these. And last up, I am checking off a handbag wish list item. I'm not even sure if I shared that this bag was on my wish list, but it was one of those pieces that I knew I had to have it. Like once you see it, if you know, you know. If you've been around for a while, you know how I feel about this particular style of bag. And I feel like now I have all of the sizes that I wanted. I did end up getting it on the pre-loved market, but it is in excellent, excellent condition. It did come in a dust bag. This one, I don't think it came in a box, but it did come with the original dust bag. And what I added to my collection is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 20. I am obsessed. Oh my goodness, it got a little bit squished. Let me poof her up. Let me poof her up. So it didn't come with the strap. And to be honest, I'm kind of okay with that because I am actually not a fan of the canvas strap that these come with. I don't actually like those canvas straps at all. So I really just wanted that. So I'm kind of glad that maybe the person that bought it was like, I want this strap, so I'm gonna buy the whole bag and then sell the bag. I think that's what they ended up doing because this thing is in perfect condition. Okay, so you guys know that I am obsessed with the Speedy. It is like, I mean, I guess obsessed is not necessarily the word anymore, but it was definitely one of my first favorites, my first loves when it comes to Louis Vuitton, and just one of those like uber classic iconic bags. And I have a Speedy 25, I have a Speedy 30, I have the Nano Speedy. I just felt like this one was kind of a must. I need to do, let me know down in the comments if you want to see it, like a Speedy Nano versus 20 versus 25 versus 30. So you can see all four sizes together. I feel like I can do that now that I have the 20. I love this. I will wear this with some of the straps that I have. I have several Louis Vuitton straps, some that I bought individually and some that have come with other bags that I own that came with straps, and I would totally wear those over the straps that this one originally comes with. I love the fact, which I kind of guess you kind of have to with this one, but I love the fact that the zippers come a little bit lower down on the sides. I guess that makes sense because the opening would be really, really small. You've got a red canvas interior with this one, which is fun. You guys know I love a good pop of red. You've got one interior pocket there. You've got the little handles. Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. So this is a handheld bag unless you've got a strap on it. I will totally carry this one like this for specific outfits, but I love the idea of wearing like a canvas strap or even like a monogram strap or, you know, something different like that with it. But it is so, so cute. Look at that. This one is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. It is just such a beautiful, beautiful piece, and I honestly cannot wait to wear this. It is classic in just like this little bitty baby form. So there you have it. Happy birthday to me. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want any other videos on the items that I shared with you, reviews, what's in my bag, comparison, anything like that. As you know, put them down in the comments and I will do my best to add them to my to-do list. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. I do a lot of fashion and luxury videos here, so hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you don't miss any future ones, and make sure to follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok because I do outfits of the day and kind of fun things over there as well. So it is so nice to meet you. Stick around for a little longer, watch one of these videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.